this is the situation, and you have to find it out, area of this segment. How can you find it out, the area of this segment? What could we approach, Shreyans? What did you say?
Find that sector and then find
So
that.
what he is telling, find this area of this sector. Okay, so this is O, A, B. I can find it out, the area of this sector. Can I find it out?
Yeah.
So it's a sector. And how can you find it out, the area of the segment then? How can you find it out, the area of that segment? This one, red zone.
By finding a triangle and then subtracting.
Yes. So maybe you can say you would subtract from here this part. From this part, if you take out this part, you would be left with this area, isn't it?
Yeah.
So how to calculate this area? Tell me. If I say this is R, don't put the value right now, 8 and all those things. If I say this is R, again this length is R, this length is R, because that's the radius of the circle. So can you tell me what would be the area of this sector?
Theta over 360.
What is the area of the circle?
Pi times r squared.
Pi times R square, isn't it?
Yeah.
And this sector is what part of a full circle?
Pi times r squared divided by, times 90 divided by 360.
Yeah, what it will come? Say this sector, if there is a circle, you divide into 4 parts.
Yeah.
This is one part, because this is the 90 degree, that's what it is showing.
Yeah.
So this is one part. Directly you know that it is 1/4. Why you are going into all that 90 and 360 and all those things? Directly you can say this is 1/4 of a circle. So whatever is the circle's area, Gurvinder said it is pi r square.
Yeah.
Pi r square is circle's area. So what would be the sector's area? That would be divided by 4. Isn't it? And what is the area of this triangle?
Length times height.
Yeah.
Divided by
So length times height divided by 2. And what is length and height in this case?
8 and 8.
R and R. Radius and radius. So R square by 2. Okay? So now put the values in this equation. For radius, pi into 8 square divided by 4, that would be area of this sector, and area of this triangle would be 8 square by 2. And then whatever you get,
Minus of height. 32.
yes, so this one finally you will get pi into 8 divided by 4. Divided by 4 you get 2. So finally you would get 16 pi. That is for the sector.
Yeah.
This 16 pi, this one is for sector. And for triangle, what you got?
32.
8 into 8 divided by 2, and that comes out to be 32. So the area of the triangle comes out to be 32. And finally, the area of that segment, that would be equal to, this one would be equal to the area of the sector, which is 16 pi minus 32. Do you agree?
Yeah.
Hmm?
Yeah.